Hey guys, welcome back to another snack review. My name's Dr. Jackson, and today we are trying a little special treat, JoyRide Sour Blue Raspberry Strips by Ryan Trahan. I've been watching his channel a lot, and I'm really excited to try these. This is the Uncommon Candy JoyRide, 80% less sugar, natural flavor, no artificial colors or junk ingredients. So let's open it and let's try it. Right off opening the pack, you can see it's all like stuffed in there. Oh, that's a strong scent. Just like it just smells like pure blue raspberry. If I could get a, okay, mangled strip, but okay. Okay. That is really good. That's like a top 5 candy for me. I'm not even lying. It's sour. It tastes with it's not really blue, but no artificial colors. And it's this really strong raspberry taste. It's sour but also sweet at the same time. And also, like, it's, I guess, healthy-ish for a candy. I really like it. I'm gonna rate it 9 out of 10. This was amazing. I really like this. If you live near a Target in the United States, go try out JoyRide. I only have this right now since I'm not in the States. Yeah, this is recommended by me. I hope you go try this out if you haven't already. My name's Jackson, and you guys have a delicious day.